Hello people, today's video is going to be talk about PicsArt, and I would like to show you the way how to remove emoji and how to remove stickers from your photo only with the PicsArt application. So here I already have the picture. I have this emoji, so this is united with the picture itself, and I also have the sticker that I already added before. So here there will be like several ways we can do to remove these two icon on the picture. So the first, let's just remove this emoji. So you just need to take a look on this bottom side. You just need to slide into the left side until you found shape. So you just need to go click shape, and then you just need to pick the shape that you want to use here. And now you just need to jump into the color. Go with this color picker and drag this color picker into the nearest area with the emoji. And the next thing you need to do, you can just adjusting the size of the shapes by go drag this point into the inner side to make it like smaller, or into the outer side to make it bigger. Now you just need to drag it into the top of the emoji, and you just need to, oh my bad, and then you just need to go click apply, and those emoji will be disappear. Now the next thing we need to do is removing this sticker. So you just need to go click this layers over here, and there will be a layer for the sticker, so you just need to go click it. And now this sticker on your canvas will be active, and if you want to remove it, you just need to go click this X. And you are done. You just need to go click apply and download this picture, and it will be saved into your photo library. So that is the way, and that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully this all guidance is help you so well. Thank you for watching, and I'll wait to see you for the next tutorial.